How to add a subscribe button to your videos on YouTube. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to add a subscribe button to your YouTube videos. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your YouTube Studios on your browsers and then scroll in this menu to this customization section and choose this option. Now choose this branding option over here and then scroll down to the bottom to this video watermark option, and you can just click upload over here. And now you simply have to upload any of the image that you want to add over here and click open, and then you can just add it over here and then click publish. Now, once you click publish, it's going to add the subscribe button to your videos on your YouTube channel. And that's the process that you can follow to add a watermark of the subscribe button to your YouTube videos. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.